Pradeep Kumar Rana, who's 47 years old, is asking about this. If he targets 1 crore within 10 years, what should his strategy be for investments into small, mid and large, as well as multi-cap funds? This is an interesting question because basically he's asking how his equity portfolio should be constructed, Prableen.
That's right. So, for example, a 10-year period with a target of 1 crore, Alex, an SIP of around 43,000 will be required if you're looking at 12% XIRR, which is, I think, something which is a realistic figure. And if he cannot invest this 43,000 per month, then an SIP of about 30,000 can be done on a monthly basis, and a step up of 10% can be done. So let's say the first year he's continues to invest 30,000 every month. The next year he needs to invest 33,000 every month, and then like 36,300 and so on. And this proportion, the mix that he's given, I think he should have all the four if he understands how multi-cap funds operate. Because typically flexi-cap funds, the majority, not all, but are large cap tilted. But a multi-cap fund will have all large, mid, and small. So I think equal proportion allocation can be great. So for him, I would recommend a passive large cap fund as well as a passive mid cap fund, complemented with an active, of course, small cap fund and a multi cap fund. I think that can be a good mix, but I would recommend that the multi cap is from a slightly value centric AMC. Because when we look at indexing, that is more growth oriented. For example, today we saw Zomato being added, and the other company was out. So something which keeps going up or gets added to the index anyway. So we can look at a slightly value oriented AMC for the multi-cap category.
Okay. Would you want to just list out a few of the names of the mutual funds that you've tracked that you like in the space?
So for the large cap index, I would recommend an equal weight Nifty 50 approach, which can be from DSP, it can be HDFC, a lot of fund houses have it, SBI. In the mid cap space, it can be the regular 150 market cap based index. Again, Motilal has it, ICICI has it, almost all the AMCs have that. In the small caps, Alex, I can go with Tata here. We have Bandhan. Then, of course, we have the SBIs and HDFC, the older funds which have definitely proven themselves. And in the multi-cap, I would say probably SBI can be a good choice given, or HDFC given, or ICICI given that we're looking at slightly value-oriented sort of a fund.